Close your eyes. Imagine floating in a velvet hammock strung between two stars. The Milky Way cascades around you like liquid silk, and the universe whispers, "Relax. You are already home." Tonight, we release the illusion of effort and merge with the rhythm of creation itself. Breathe in, inhale galaxies. Breathe out, exhale moonlight. Let your breath become a bridge between intention and surrender. Place your hands on your knees, palms open. Whisper, "I am a vessel. The universe fills me effortlessly." Trace the symbol of infinity over your heart 3 times. With each loop affirm, "I am infinite potential. I am divine timing." You are a tree but not of earth. Your roots spiral into black holes, drawing nourishment from cosmic dust. Your branches stretch into nebulas, blooming with starflowers. Feel the pulse of supernovas in your sap. You do not strain for light, you are light. Walk a labyrinth lined with mirrors. Each mirror reflects a story you've outgrown. "I must work harder. I am not enough." Shatter them with a touch. The shards dissolve into fireflies, lighting your path. At the center, a fountain bubbles with liquid amethyst. Drink deeply. Taste, surrender. Chant softly. Aum Shreem Reem. Prosperity and heart opening. Let the vibrations empty your mind. The void is not empty. It is pregnant with all possibilities. A hologram of your deepest desire materializes. Could be a person, a place, or a feeling. Ask it, "What do you need to come to me?" Listen. It replies, "Nothing. I am already yours." Wrap it in a golden thread and place it in your heart's vault. Float down a river of liquid gold. Its current carries everything you've ever desired. Love, wealth, joy. Dip your hands in. Let coins, rose petals, and laughter cling to your skin. The river sings, "You cannot outgive the universe." The night sky rearranges itself to spell your name in stars. Each letter pulses a command to your subconscious. Align. Allow. Receive. Your cells hum in agreement. A nebula wraps you in swirling blues and pinks. Inside whispers echo. Your work is to exist. Your job is to breathe. Melt into the colors. Time dissolves. Repeat silently. I am a magnet for miracles. My desires orbit me like planets. I am a magnet for miracles. My desires orbit me like planets. I am a magnet for miracles. My desires orbit me like planets. I am a magnet for miracles. My desires orbit me like planets. Imagine your dreams as satellites, always near, never forced. The moon hands you a pomegranate. Each seed bursts with a blessing you've received. Chew slowly. Taste the sweetness of trust. Blow a kiss to the sky. Whisper, "Thank you for doing the heavy lifting." Wiggle your toes, stretch your arms like wings, and open your eyes. Radiant, renewed, forever changed.